What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. I'm probably going to say that twice in this video, but I just want to give you a little heads up. I couldn't update the past 2 weeks because I've been super busy. I've been on vacation, and then I had some personal matters, family matters to take care of when I got back. So thankfully everything's good now, and we're back to normal. So expect 1 to 2 videos weekly. Plus, check out that poster. Wasn't she pretty? Camaro's going to be just as good, guys, I promise. And I want you guys to remember we're all car enthusiasts. We love all cars. I don't care what brand you like. I respect your build, your brand. I don't care. Some people get real jabby when it comes to switching from brands. But you know what? I take the criticism, and I hope to impress you with the Camaro build. Enjoy the video. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Car Guy Chronicles. I know it's been a couple weeks since our last video showing you the new addition to the channel, the 1LE Camaro. God, I love that car so much. She's running real good. We got 600 miles on her. So a little bit more time for braking period, but it's all good. Car is running great, though. So today's video is going to be a little modification, a few of them actually. It's going to be one surprise modification, and then debadging. We're debadging the whole car, and we're putting on all new badges that look really, really dope. So, waiting for Brad and Manny to get here. I got to get the Mustang out of the garage. I got to move some cars around. First, we got to wash this dirty car. So, let's get started now. Kind of embarrassed about this, but if you can see, it's probably really hard to see all that. It looks like shit, and you can see it in the hood. This video, we need to clean this up. So, ready? Let's try this. There you go. That was easy. It's so easy when you have the right car wash products. You guys should look up brilliantgloss.com. Use the Chemical Guys products. They make washing cars so easy. And they come out using so damn good using their products. I use the Snow Foam Wash and the Detail Spray, cherry scented. And my God, she looks so damn good. You guys should check them out. If you use the code VICIOUS12, you get 12% off your purchase.
Start up that forward.
Okay, now, of course, we can't forget the cold start on the Camaro. Okay, so we got the hood pop, waiting for Manny and Brad. They just called from the gate. They'll be here shortly. And here is that beautiful new Chevy badge for the front end. And again, I will put the link in the description below as to where you can find these. This is the one for the front, so it clips right in. So this will require tools as well for the rear and the sides. You're going to need a heat gun, fishing line, some goof off, take off all the adhesive if it's still left on there, and some alcohol to wipe the area for the new stick. Look who finally decided to show up. What's up?
Yeah.
Start by taking all that off right there. The plates to get to the piece. Okay, y'all, so instead of taking off the whole front bumper, best thing to do is take this plate off, pull it up, be able to reach in, take a freaking foot long flathead, and you're going to pry off the little backing plates on the emblem, which is
Look like this.
like these little plates. You're going to kind of press each different way to get it out, and that's going to be it.
Push a little bit more.
Okay, click, click, and that's it.
Let's just push.
That black bow tie. So we got the black badge on. Of course, using your fishing line, your heat gun, and a bunch of freaking aggravation. And then we, of course, got to use our Chemical Guys products. Speed Wipe, cherry scented.
Smell that wonderful.
Smells amazing. And then Manny, the detailing guy here.
Oh, yeah.
When you don't have a car, you want to detail everyone else's cars.
You just want something to play with.
What's going on with the Mustang? Everyone wants to know. 1 week?
One more week and it should be done. We're just waiting on the turbo right now. Everything else is put under the car. All the piping, the corners, everything's put on. It's just the actual turbo kit is like it's like sublease with everybody else. So you have Stainless Works in the process, you have Precision Turbo in the process. So they're all kind of coming together and working on this kit. So one more week, man.
It's coming good. And next week we'll come out with a little video when we're at Blow By, and we'll do some dyno stuff and stuff like that. So
and cutting.
And cutting. Gonna cut
What
the
are
whole
we
car to
cutting?
pieces. Oh my god. So yeah, that looks real good. So yeah, much more mods to come for this. This is just what I got in the mail, and I have some other stuff in the garage too. But next video you will see those come on. Super excited as this car progresses, and I'm glad I get to share a stock car transforming to something good with all of you. This in no way will be stock for long. So yeah, brother. All right, y'all. So it is Monday. It's the next day. The car is finished. The badges are on. It looks really, really good, as you can see in that sunlight right there. That blue shines so nice. I'm going to show you the badges in just 1 second. I do want to tell you there is one modification I did not tell you was going on the car yesterday or in today's video. Simply because it was supposed to be the next video, a separate video of an installation guide kind of. And well, it didn't work out in my favor because I didn't have the time and had some camera issues, stuff like that. Filming on an entirely different camera now. I'm hoping it looks real nice. So the modification, the secret modification, is a Zl1 Add-ons Wicker bill spoiler. Now, for the Camaro, they make two different models. They make I believe a 16 to 18 inch stealth Wicker bill blade, and then they make a really, really tall one. I forgot the name of it, but I was gonna go with the tall one, and then I peeped online car show. I saw his. I know he's watching this video right now. I saw yours and fell in love with it. So thank you for that, and I ordered the same one. Looks really, really good. Let me show you guys right now real quick. Do a little explanation as to what it takes to put this on. Super easy install. So here it is. Car looks aggressive as hell, just like I like it. Super happy with the way it came out. Now I'm thinking some Euro taillights or tint them. I'm not 100% sure what I should do. You guys let me know what you think. This one came with a really cool looking nuts and stuff like that. I'll just walk you through a little quick idea of it. So they give you about a 3-page manual. Their instructions are really easy to follow. They tell you which size drill bit to use, a 3/8. I do obviously a little starting bit, so you get a little teeny tiny one, make the hole, and then go to the 3/8. Super easy. Best thing to do, you always want to start, of course, with the middle. You want to mark the center with a piece of tape, basically right here. It'll be right there along the Chevy badge. Start your center hole. Mount the spoiler with the center hole, and then as it's on there, you're going to mark each of the other points. And then, of course, drill out and slap it on. It is the easiest thing to do, and it's so clean. And if you have a Challenger, they have for Mustangs, they have them for Corvettes, Camaros, Chargers, everything. I think Wicker bills are super clean, and from Zl1 Add-ons, you cannot go wrong. Absolutely loving this, guys. Thank you so much for doing some cool work. The 1LE badge, looking so good. So much better than that Camaro badge. Matches the red nice. And then, that beautiful front Chevy badge. I love how these badges came out, and just kind of cleans up that face. There's no more gold. Chevy badge, I didn't like those very much. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little quick update on the Camaro and some of the first mods we got coming to her. We got a lot more coming, trust me. Really cool stuff coming for her, and I'm really excited to bring you a really cool build from stock. Super stoked. Got some Mustang updates coming this week and some more mods as well coming this week. So stay tuned. If you're stopping in for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.